This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello bakers! In this video I will show you how to make a delicious apple pie using convenient puff pastry. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 sheets of thawed puff pastry, 6 medium apples, and half a cup of sugar. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg for that perfect spice blend. Also, have 1 egg ready for an egg wash and 2 tablespoons of butter, cut into small pieces. Now, let's prepare our flavorful apple filling. Begin by peeling, coring, and slicing your 6 apples into uniform 1/4-inch thick pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and become tender. Next, transfer the sliced apples to a large bowl. Add half a cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of flour, mixing gently to coat the apples. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg for that classic warm apple pie taste. With our filling ready, it's time to assemble the pie. Lightly flour your surface and roll out 1 sheet of puff pastry to fit a 9-inch pie dish, leaving a slight overhang. Carefully transfer this pastry to your dish. Pour the apple mixture evenly into the pastry-lined dish, then dot the top with 2 tablespoons of small butter pieces. Place the second pastry sheet over the apples, trim any excess, and crimp the edges to seal. Don't forget to cut several small vents on top for steam release. Finally, let's bake our masterpiece. Whisk 1 egg and brush it generously over the top pastry for a beautiful golden brown crust. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 15 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 40 to 50 minutes, or until the crust is deeply golden. Allow the pie to cool for at least 30 minutes before slicing and serving for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.